Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Daily English Talk. I'm Ava.
And I'm Paul. Hi, Ava. And hello to all our listeners around the world.
Today's topic is very important. We're talking about health, how to talk about your body, your habits, and how you feel in simple English.
Yes, not medical English, not hard words, just real-life English you can use every day.
Like when you feel tired, or when you say, I have a headache.
Or when you try to eat healthy and then eat pizza.
That happens to everyone.
Before we start, please like this episode, subscribe to the channel, and share it with a friend learning English.
All right, take a deep breath. Let's talk about health, the simple human way. Paul, let's start simple. When people talk about health, they often talk about experience.
Yes, real life, not doctor words.
Like this sentence, I feel sick today.
Or, I feel good.
Repeat after us. I feel good.
Again, I feel good.
Now try this. I feel tired.
Pause the audio and say it out loud.
Good. That's real English.
We often say how we feel in short sentences.
I feel tired. I feel fine. I feel better today.
Not long, not perfect, just clear.
Let me share a small moment.
Okay.
Last week, I woke up early. The room was quiet. I heard birds outside. My head felt heavy. I said, I feel tired today.
Yeah, mornings can feel like that.
Exactly.
When I was younger, I never said that. I just went to school.
No words for feelings?
No. But now I talk more about my health.
That's growth.
Here are some easy sentences. I have a headache. I have a cold. I have a fever.
Short, clear, very common.
Repeat after me. I have a headache.
Again, I have a headache. People often ask, how are you?
And you can answer honestly.
I'm okay. I'm not well. I feel a little sick.
You don't need big words.
Before, I always said, I'm fine, even when I was not.
Same here.
But now I say, I'm tired, but I'm okay.
That's very natural English. Listeners, try this sentence. Today I feel...
Fill the blank. Happy, tired, good, not good.
Write one sentence in the comments.
Health English starts with truth.
And simple words.
No pressure.
Just daily life.
Now let's talk about daily habits.
Because health is not only when we are sick.
It's what we do every day.
Small actions, simple routines.
For example, I wake up at 7.
I drink water.
I brush my teeth.
I eat breakfast.
Repeat after us. I drink water in the morning.
Again, I drink water in the morning. My morning is very simple.
Tell us.
I wake up, I stretch my arms, I hear my alarm, beep, beep, beep.
That sound is not healthy.
No, very stressful. I walk to the kitchen, I drink a glass of water, then I make tea.
That's a healthy habit. When I was younger, I skipped breakfast.
Oh no.
Yes, I was always late. I ran out the door.
Same here.
But now I eat something small.
Like?
A banana, an egg, toast.
Simple food is good.
Try this sentence. My breakfast is...
Pause and say it out loud.
Now, let's talk about something very real.
Energy.
Yes, how your body feels during the day.
Sometimes good, sometimes not so good.
We often say, I feel tired. I feel sleepy. I feel full. I feel hungry.
Very common English.
Repeat after us. I feel tired.
Again, I feel tired. After lunch, I always feel sleepy.
Always?
Always. My eyes get heavy.
That happens to me too. I usually say, I need a break.
That's a great sentence. When I was younger, I ignored my body.
Me too.
I stayed up late, I watched videos, I slept 4 hours.
And the next day?
Terrible.
Now I listen more.
Same.
If I feel tired, I rest.
If I feel hungry, I eat.
Here are useful sentences. My back hurts. My legs hurt. My eyes hurt.
Short and clear.
Repeat after us. My back hurts.
Again, my back hurts. Let me share a small moment.
Okay.
I was sitting at my desk late at night. The room was dark. Only my screen was bright. My neck felt tight. I said, my neck hurts.
That picture feels very real. Before, I pushed myself.
Same.
But now, I stop.
That's healthier.
You can also say, I need rest, I need sleep, I need water.
Your body talks to you.
Repeat after us. I need rest.
Again, I need rest. Listeners, pause and say one sentence about your body.
Out loud if you can.
No grammar stress.
Just real feeling. Health English helps you understand yourself.
And helps others understand you.
Now let's talk about real problems people talk about every day.
Not serious hospital talk.
Just normal life problems.
Like this. I don't feel well.
Very useful sentence.
You can say it at work, at school, at home.
Repeat after us. I don't feel well.
Again, I don't feel well.
Sometimes people ask, what's wrong?
And you can answer simply.
I have a headache. I feel dizzy. My stomach hurts.
No long explanation. Let me share a moment.
Go ahead.
One morning, I was on the bus. It was noisy. People were talking. My head felt hot. I said, I feel dizzy.
That's scary.
A little, but saying it helped.
When I lived in a small town, we talked about health very simply.
How?
My body hurts. I need rest.
That's enough.
Here's a common short conversation.
Okay.
How are you today?
Not great. I feel sick.
I'm sorry. Get some rest.
Very human English.
Repeat after us. Get some rest.
Again, get some rest. People also say, take care, drink water, sleep well.
These are kind words. Before, I never talked about pain.
Same.
I thought it was weak.
But now,
Now I speak.
health talk is not weakness.
It's communication.
Listeners, try this sentence. Today, my body feels
Say it out loud. Good.
very natural.
Real English is not perfect English.
It's honest English.
Now let's talk about something gentle.
Goals.
Not big, scary goals.
Small health dreams.
Many people say, I want to be healthy.
Very common sentence.
Repeat after us. I want to be healthy.
Again, I want to be healthy. Some people say, I want more energy. I want to sleep better. I want to feel good.
Simple wishes. When I was younger, I thought health was only exercise.
Same.
Run more, do more.
But now,
Now I think health is balance.
let me share a small moment.
Okay.
One night I went to bed early. The lights were off. The house was quiet. I felt calm. I thought, I want this every day.
That feeling is powerful. Before, I slept very late.
Me too.
Now I try to sleep earlier.
Not perfect, just better.
You can say, I try to sleep well. I tried to eat better. I tried to move more.
Notice the word again.
Try,
Health English uses kind words.
not pressure words. Repeat after us. I try every day.
Again, I try every day. Some days are good.
Some days are not.
That's normal.
Listeners, say one goal out loud.
It can be very small.
Even this is okay. I want to drink more water.
That's a great goal.
Health grows slowly,
Like language,
little by little.
day by day.
Now let's bring everything together.
Yes, how health English sounds in real life.
Most health talk is very short.
2 or 3 sentences.
For example, I feel tired today.
I didn't sleep well.
I need some rest.
That's it. No long speech.
Repeat after us. I didn't sleep well.
Again, I didn't sleep well. Here's another common one. My body feels heavy.
Very natural. At work, people say, I need a short break. My head hurts a little.
Nobody says big medical words.
Let's act out a short talk.
Okay,
Hi, Paul. How are you?
I'm okay, but I feel tired.
Did you sleep well?
No, I slept late.
That happens.
Very real.
Let me share one last small moment.
Go ahead.
I was walking home in the evening. The street was quiet. The air was cool. My legs felt tired, but my mind felt calm.
That's a peaceful picture. When I lived in the city, I rushed everywhere.
Same.
Now I slow down more.
Health English often uses words like slow, rest, enough.
Very gentle words.
Repeat after us. I need to slow down.
Again, I need to slow down. Listeners, try one full sentence now.
Mix actions together.
Like this. I wake up, drink water, and walk.
Pause and say your own.
Perfect.
You just spoke real English.
Health talk is daily talk.
Simple talk.
Human talk.
All right, everyone. Let's take a slow breath together.
Today, we talked about health in simple English.
We shared easy phrases like, I feel tired. I have a headache. I don't feel well.
We talked about habits.
I drink water. I walk every day. I try to sleep well.
And we talked about feelings.
Energy, rest, listening to your body.
If you remember one thing, remember this.
Simple English is powerful English.
You don't need big words.
You just need honest words.
You are improving every day.
Even when it feels slow,
Language grows like health.
little by little.
If this episode helped you, please like it
Subscribe to the channel.
and share it with someone learning English.
We'd love to hear from you.
Tell us in the comments, what is your favorite part of the day?
And also, what's the first thing you do in the morning?
Thank you for learning with us.
Thank you for spending your time here.
Have a wonderful day.
And a wonderful night.
See you next time.
Bye!